Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Dodge Charger headlight. First, gather your tools. You'll need a new headlight assembly, a 10mm socket, a ratchet, and a flathead screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is turned off and the engine is cool to the touch before you begin any work. Safety is always paramount when working on your car's electrical system, so take a moment to review your owner's manual for any specific precautions. Now, let's get to the headlight. You'll need to remove the front bumper cover to access the headlight assembly. Start by locating and removing all the retaining clips and screws that hold the bumper in place. These are typically found along the top, inside the wheel wells, and underneath. Once all fasteners are out, gently pull the bumper cover away from the vehicle, being careful not to damage any paint or wiring. With the bumper cover out of the way, you can now access the headlight assembly. First, unplug the main electrical connector from the back of the old headlight unit. Next, remove the mounting bolts that secure the headlight assembly to the vehicle's frame. There are usually 3 or 4 of these. Carefully slide the old headlight out, then position the new headlight assembly into place, making sure all mounting points align perfectly before reattaching the bolts. Almost done, reconnect the electrical connector to your new headlight assembly. Then, carefully guide the bumper cover back into its original position, making sure all the tabs and clips line up. Reinstall all the retaining clips and screws you removed earlier, ensuring everything is secure. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it's working. You may need to adjust the headlight aim for optimal visibility and safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.